So here we are for Twisted or Flipped Part 2. In the first one, we saw that the triangle was flipped, but here we need to ask the question what's happening with our angles and decide if it's twisted or flipped. So let's see. If we were to hold up a mirror in between 85, 55, 55, 85, this is not flipped. This is twisted. It has been turned. The 85 is over here, and the 55 is over here. And this corresponds to this, and this corresponds to this. Interesting thing that you should know is that when you have two sets of parallel lines and have a transversal, vertical angles are equal. But what's also interesting about that is that corresponding angles are also equal, which therefore makes alternate interior angles equal. And guess what we have here? If these two lines are parallel, alternate interior angles will be equal. If they are equal, these must be parallel lines. So now, go work our way backwards. We know 85, 55, and all three angles have to add up to 180 degrees. So 85, 180 minus 55 minus 85 leaves us with 40. And we know vertical angles are the same, so this must also be 40. And now this becomes important when we're establishing our corresponding sides to set up our ratios to solve for x. X now corresponds between 40 and 55. 40 and 55 is over here. So 80 is to x, 80 is to x, as 60 is to 40. 60 is to 40. And we would now cross multiply and divide to find our answers. 80 times 40, divide by 60, and our answer is 53.3 repeating. So what does x equal? 53.3 repeating. Now we want to solve for y. We're still using 60 is to 40. 60 is to 40 as y is to 50. And you cross multiply 60 times 50, divide by 40, and y equals 75. Y equals 75. So it's important that you pay attention to where your angles are located. If they are alternate interior angles, your lines are parallel, and the triangles have been twisted. If they are flipped, your angles will be opposite each other as though there was a mirror. If you have further questions, let me know. Good luck.